Okay, so hello. I was for me chacha munyina Microsoft original ni. I was for me chacha munyina Microsoft original ni. Pacha o join ni and one like no wa share. Na bibi answer to me I come out. All right. So if you're watching me live from TikTok, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching me live on YouTube, let me know in the comment section. We are live on YouTube as I'm talking to you right now. And I sound so live at what TikTok. So, you know, say, oh, share me what TikTok I'm a patch of mami hu. And say, oh, share me what YouTube on so patch of wadaroma mami hu na bibian so into me and yet come up. Within the TikTok, iTech channel, iTech in tree. And then you share Niama Bibre. Megidi say once when you be jump and you be sua nneɛma bebree afa kwan yɛbɛfa so build the website ɛwɔ mmra yɛmmerɛ yɛn ho bebree ɛwɔ website building nim ɛno nti no mahyɛ da to me boa prepare nneɛma bi a ɛbɛtumi aboa yɛn ama yɛn journey of ɛyɛ see yɛbɛtumi making money online no ɛtumi ayɛ sufficient pampatwo wo join ya on send your be ma bibia comment mpacho wo join ya na wa like it na wa share what they will like here share ma afoforo let other people get to know say your life. That's all I'm actually requesting. Afi bi mo so bo modern say so person join with YouTuber but modern say join it with YouTube na bibia so to me come up. Now, channel so say video where you are the recorded version will be on YouTube, Ebeka YouTube, and also na watch channel so pa me patcho share video na maybe be anye kama. O join here, leave a comment or comment section na say na yankinkan emfama. Me say waba class, yeah. me say waba class. Na bibia nso entumi nya kama mpacho se ne be ya yenko ensamba ye chibium ni ntia hobrasi wo de se nipa 3 kra na mo so sisi ye ya mpacho mon share why mon share live stream no na entumi emwaye na bibia nso entumi enye kama na yenko ye nim. All right. All right, so yen shots yes. Before we get started, Pacho, so won't subscribe to YouTube channel now. Ko YouTube CCA. Na kona ko search for iTech in tree. Ko search for iTech in tree. Enti no so ko search for iTech in tree. Me sure say obehu eye video no YouTube. Na and also so what to me ama bibia I kama pa. All right. And then you be share adie bi e de afa web designing. Ye no wo eye ye no wo hold on. I think I'm missing oh come on. All right. So you be share web designing. I the WordPress and ebabe. Na migidi say Dodwana will be asking WordPress. At the end of WordPress. I know many people will be asking like WordPress ye the idea. When you say bibebusa WordPress. Yate WordPress ye the idea. Okay, mamin tremu say WordPress a combination of a framework. WordPress a combination of a framework and a certain language. Aya kabum, aya mana easy. So to me I build a website with a certain framework and a certain language. So let me break everything down so you probably understand whatever which is going on. Okay, so you can't a year WordPress. WordPress is a combination of PHP, HTML, CSS, and it's a new meaning. Now, so you can't say HTML, CSS, JS nessa your mana. And only they build the front end of a website. Right. Say a case will be a website designer. Meaning that this person a case will be a website designer. It's just that this person can basically talk between a front end and a back end coding, right? And you can say front end near say we design a website, right? Say we design a website, and on your friend front end. Now, so what the button be two websites, so now per se umia button so a year juma like o click a button na it me ye bibia. Sa click now o click in and no any a friend of back end. It is all per se umia button so a can say hello and the chair sa hello na ebeka no eno na bronika say me friend the back end, right? I believe so you understand. Won TBB as now wo YouTuber. Former me comment section I say. So won TBB as now wo TikTok and so na hwe me live a. Former me comment section I say. Ye nyina yesua de. Send bema bibia nso to me aye kama pa. Eno nti ye ka say WordPress a platform bi a ye de asi ho ama womu nim sani esi tro code na emum nanso womu pese omo build the website me because I really want to me pese me to me bona me cheche we mti internet no messy app kakra Mr. Mopa mon fan cheme ni yenhwe. Now sa process we mo no, what are the things we're going to tackle, like enioma ben ye be tackle yen WordPress and website designing way mono and your bang ena yeba be tackle yen WordPress and website designing him. All right, we part 1. Na part 1 content I'll be now part 1 yeba be share na no ne a wo hu no wo display no so right now. And on ne a wo hu no wo display no so right now. I think say YouTube has been stable. I don't know why me TikTok no yes sir, but I don't know. Say TikTok ne ba na wa ma mehu because I don't know why. Me live stream is messing up a little bit. So oh man. This thing no they help me at all. Okay, me bacha what you say a bar na wama me I away. Because I think say a lagi, but I don't know. I wanted to let this work. Semotion ebe hard a mommy in a channel right YouTube because I believe say YouTube there I stable. All right. Oh man. I think so we probably have to switch to YouTube because I think we have to switch to YouTube because TikTok is really messing up, right? TikTok name messy up. So yeah, switch it to YouTube. I hope so because it's not really helping at all. So yeah, switch it to YouTube. Na bibi ansun to me come on. All right. Me bacha wo join wo YouTuber na wa like na bibia kama na ye koye nim. Wo join wo YouTuber na wa like na bibia nso edidi ko na ye koye nim. Bacha wo join wo YouTuber na wa like na bibia nso edidi koye nim na ye koye nim. All right. Okay, me bacha so wo hwe me wo YouTuber fa comment brown comment section as say o share me ewo YouTube na bibia nso entumi enye kama pa. Right. Me bacho say o share me wo YouTube o de for comment ne bra ewo YouTube na me hu say wa join me ewo YouTube. Wa All right, TikTok for me say mo fan che me pa na my account and I don't know. Me the desktop ne ya is not giving me the opportunity to explore myself. So what I'm doing then is maybe redirect mu na the marco a YouTube, right? Me will YouTube CC and patch our channel name near Ike Tech in Tree. Me patch our channel name near Ike Tech in Tree. Why? But more than na kona kwhwebie no na wo live no, because I think say me share live na say no, I'm really getting a lot of flash me streaming now. So the best thing you probably have to do is just go and search for Ike Tech in Tree. Okoko search for Ike Tech in Tree ebeba mebacho eba na wa join me. Why? O join me oko YouTube live but more than say obe send a comment edi afa hono ne mehu say what by YouTube live wo share me sisi make say. So you can actually join me live just as I am explaining things for you guys to actually understand. Okay, so let me quickly run through what we were talking about. So as we are looking at the introduction, my main you guys will probably understand. So we are talking about the introduction of building a WordPress website, right? So we design a WordPress website. Now, WordPress website, will say the drag and drop version of using front end and back end. BTC, we use front end, BTC, HTML, CSS, JS, and those kind of frameworks. At their building design. Now, with the back end, with the PHP, are working with the back end. Now, when we are talking about website design and majority of the process it entails with database connection, right? Intino enone nia yeba be bacho ubetumi akọ YouTube na wakọ search na onsa kana bibia kama. So we will look at the kind of things we're going to talk about from this kind of content we are creating today. So yebeshe the first thing, now you share the second thing. Okay, yeah, share. In this part, we will be talking about 10 major things. A year for and then kasa diafa 10 major things as a WordPress designer. Will be able to use WordPress at the building website. You have to know. Sanyoma we mono near a din kind pa say introduction to offline WordPress development, right? Introduction to WordPress offline development. Kasa dia found kakra. And after understanding local server solutions. What I said, kasa downloading and installing XAMPP, WAMP, and I said MAMP service. Like, what are they and what do they do? So we will actually talk about them and we will get to know what is actually going on from that side, right? Okay, and now things you better installation steps. Kwanya you better first install XAMPP or your computer. So kwanya you better first install WAMP, MAMP. Now we will go through and see the process. Abibiabe come up. After we are near set up yen Apache service no, right? Meaning say you'll be thinking of say na se wokasa de be for power. So I mean, why is this thing becoming like so complicated? Like maybe boma don't worry, obetiase. What I say? Maybe I don't know, say someone temenka. Why? Oh, the sound is really working fine. So Jukis, Pacho share was sound in the year na bibia kama. All right. So you be share kwan be fa so download the WordPress. Yes, WordPress you download it. Right. Now you share kwan be fa so create database for your WordPress no. Now for you configure your WordPress no. Now for you finalize the WordPress installation. Now you to me your first website. You now you move on to the next step. And only idea no end. So if you really want to get into this very well, Pacho channel needing the Ike Tech in Tree. But more than YouTube, let's search for Ike Tech in Tree. This is the name of the channel, Ike Tech in Tree. So you search for iTech in Tria, it will probably redirect you to the site and who say ene streaming no that's so den. Me try say me de TikTok beba live. Now TikTok studio beba live, but I think say my networking was really messing up. So since I don't want you guys to you know not getting access to this my should prepare Abba live or YouTube as a backup. I'll be to me join this here now wahebi. Now for the whole scenario ni no and so ni so as we are talking about understanding local service, no the yenika inka samfa introduction to offline WordPress development. Now offline WordPress development yeah can wasemi. Say you can say offline WordPress development. Yeah, patch say build a website offline. Say here internet access. Now they are building website, right? Here internet access. Now they are building website, and then your friend WordPress offline WordPress development. That is the reason why you better download the XAMPP, you better download the WAMP, you better download the MAMP, you better download the Sanyomo near TSC, Adia Sanyoma ye. Say use Apache service, Juma Ben. I mean, what does it do? Right? Nina ni ebeshe na etumia boy. So we will basically dive into this and everything is going to be awesome, right? Okay, so now you share understanding local service. See, I can say local service here, they are there. Understanding local service. Makasi ye was ZAMP, ye wo WAMP, ye wo MAMP. Sanyoma we no maka ho asem. But in the real fact, the real essence, no, so we would actually talk about this and we will understand. Now, Mamin trim di kan trim say, Natiasie. Ansa na obe build the website biamu bi ewo internet in the so to me enyano. Ye wo nioma mienu bi a wo hia. Ni edin kan ye friend domain name, right? Ni edin kan ye friend domain name. So no matter what it takes, opese will build a website. Now website never online, eba live no obi to me share, obi to me visit, obi to me yen yoma bebrea. You see, it's very simple. Ni edin kan won hia domain name. Now yen kasam for domain name. Okay, yen fan say see I build a website. Opese me ko check it. E kwan ben so na obefa so ama me ma check it. Right? Into ubon say ubeka so visit the site with www.asimesiobenten.com. Right? Sa asimesiobenten.com no and none your friend domain name. I believe you guys understand. And only a friend domain name. And only the first thing you would probably have to look at. Now, domain name is like a business registration because when your domain name now will be into me in February. It's young say Maka say ebia judekeys.com, right? Judekeys.com no. Se ukona koto judekeys.com ubi into me koto biem abeye wo intellectual property, right? Eye wo dia for a whole year. So until say afe no be kona wiye. Now waka say okay, mimpe biem. I don't want to renew it. Na de na free one sa. Anye sa na u renew eye wo dia forever. Let me give you one final example. Facebook shall say so pretty. Facebook.com aye Facebook dear till thy kingdom come. Because what they do is they always maintain it, they always keep it, they always make sure they keep it on record. Ombe renew send be ya enkonkoto abontin mu bin son konkofa Facebook.com. So and only a friend domain name. Now the next thing you need say build a website there mo be now per se ubi to me visiting onya. The next thing is something called the hosting server. Right? Hosting server ni baby what build the websites no. What the website files ni bigu. Now, what did those files ni gu sa e honom na? And non na so be bought www.wodomainname.com na akwa kosheshe that website files na dia brain. So, say a website bia otonioma waswa. Obi bought www.metonioma.com. Na akwa kofa website now what building a kura wo nneoma no na akwa akofa de abre no, right? So that is how web service works. That is how a domain name and hosting works, right? But in this case, you probably see say you're building offline. Inti yen to hosting any domain name, right? Like we're not gonna buy those kind of things. Yen to sanyomano, right? So let me give you one factual example. Imamema one factual example. Yen fan is me person me to domain name. Me to me ako harvesthost.com. Harvesthost.com. Now harvesthost.com a platform bia me recommended yama Ghana ni bia o pese or build a website out to hosting any domain name. In the same American, also I must register a domain name and create online identity, right? So young fan say midin the original. Bet me about search original ewaha. Now the moment I make me a search, na ebe search original no. Ebe share internet ne so ama ya share say original.com ewo wana. Now original.com nya available. Inti mi nya original.com, right? Okay. Ba ubon say original.com.edu.gh ewo ho ba ne boarding pa. Inti ubon say we mu nyina ye domain names a enkofo ato a eye wo mo dia. Mama ma another example. ixsoftoriginal.com. You say ixsoftoriginal.com is available. You see, ixsoftoriginal.com is available for 225 Ghana cedis, right? For a whole year. So, me to me to ixsoftoriginal.com way. Amana ye. And no ye domain name. And no na. Se me person will be visiting my site. Make actually ni pan so call ixsoftoriginal.com. Now be to me and my site. You get it? Okay, mami ma another factual example. Say ube to me ako afrilen.com, right? So call afrilen.com CCA. You see say be be me website at the amount say. Now, sa afrilen.com ni redirection. Made ma we to me access to my website ya ma building. A redirection of a pinpointing to a certain server be a me person me ma unhunu me website. So sa afrilen.com no enye no any sa website way, right? But afrilen.com way no and no need pinpointed like a redirect akwa fetch sa website way who information e dia bro. Inti me chire mu to a point say wow won't build a website that you should be able to build it. Like you should be able to know how these things are done. Maybe just say, "Oh, share me what TikTok." Now you hear the better experience, like the clear experience with clear visuals. Me pacho kona ko search for iTech in tree. Oko search for iTech in tree. Abu say your live CCA part 1, creating a WordPress website in tree. Your live CCA. So me live in the so abun say very directed waba live in the so bra never join oba. Mame comment ewo YouTube comment section na say na me hunu say one so waba live in the so na bibian so into me enye kama. All right, so let's move on to the next thing. Now, share hosting service, right? So hosting server, on says oba your shared hosting, your cloud hosting, your way. We a harvest host on packages are more. And let's not forget, sa packages we mono. Answer now be build the website bia. You probably have to choose between these packages. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the time nesona see be hosting war online. I'll probably talk a lot about this. Like maybe be kasa dia far packages we home or pa. Now, this package is per month, a year per month. So whatever you choose is per month, right? Nia ube choose wa hebiano a year per month. Now I multiply by 20 by 12 months, right? And on a year. Tiska ubenya wahano. The amount now ubenya wahano. Now what this amount now ko kan domain name na. Two bones a wound we none and I'm almost 1,000 Ghana for hosting, domain name and hosting. But your website here, your person your building. Yes, yeah. So we can't risk 1,000 Ghana to set up the system. You get it? Yen to me risk 1,000 Ghana to set up the whole system. Say be a per domain name, ye per hosting server, ye per see a build a WordPress website. Well, we bet to me I build a WordPress website. In any of these packages can basically help us to build a WordPress server, and that's a WordPress website, right? But Yeniska, like we don't want to risk this. So Kwan Ben Sony Ebefaswa, yebe to me, ato enya server way be for free womra yen tuyaka. That is when Apache service comes in, right? That is when Apache service comes in. Now, you can't local service on say nanke ye kotobi, right? Now yen kotobi. Nemum ye was service bia ye friend of Zamp, ye were WAMP, and ye were MAMP. Now, mamin chile mukakra. Ye kase Zampa. Zamp is a free open source cross-platform web server solution package. Containing Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl, right? Ideal for developers working on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Meaning, so person will use Zamp at the year Juma with the Zamp server. No, ube to me enya Apache wom, ubenya MySQL, ubenya PHP, and ube to me enya Perl. Meaning, so download the Zampa, or build a website for MySQL, ube to me use it. I will won't talk online server bia, or build it for PHP, I'll be to me use it. I won't conquer online server bia, or build it for Perla, ube to me use it. I won't conquer online server bia. Sounds na WAMP on sotie. WAMP for Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP, the same thing, right? It will be to me choose either Zamp, either WAMP, or either MAMP. You know, the three of them, you can choose any of them, right? Like Nemi and Sano, ube to me choose emubia. Nia opese u yuzu bia, ube to me a yuzu. So in this case, first thing I hear a Zamp. Tien ye pa. First thing I hear a Zamp. Si ye nya Zamp anase wampa. Yen to me operating. So the next step I do is to get to know a kwanya ye befa so ye to me download the Zamp webi and I say WAMP webi. Any of them, like now person who use Ubia, and you could probably use it. So now you can see a person download the Zamp for the first time. Now yanko google.com, right? So google.com very simple. Idea way I may person yes idea way no. Very simple, right? You don't have to think about say, hey, I'm scared, I'm not a developer. How can I do the TA? That is not important. What is important is it will say we need a computer and a little bit of internet to start working on these kind of things, right? And the first thing I was about Google, I was searching a Zamp, XAMPP, Zamp. What do you about Zamp? Can about download. Now Zamp for official website, a www.apachefriends.org, right? But what you search Zamp, it will Google it be first link way the aba and only idea here, right? So first link now a year about which is what you see here, and only idea here. That is what we need. So Mia and only so umia so this will redirect you to this page, right? Now Zamp omo upgrading. So send a bear rentino. Me patch operating system ben na we use. We use Android, we use Windows, we use Linux, we use Mac OS. So we use Windows and patch mia we so. Mia sa we so. We use Windows and mia we so. We use Linux and mia we so. we use Apple amia way so. In my case, you could clearly see say me use Windows. So since I'm using Windows nedia, and one say me mia Windows way so. Pa umia so peshe automatically ebesha a download the amount any your download will start automatically. If it doesn't start, mpacho osimia aha click here to download it. Right? It won't say unstart it. But the moment I make click here, share, you see say very direct me to this place. Right? A very direct me to this place. Now, from this place, you can easily click on this green button. So green way. Umia so pebe download your computer and so with no hassle. We'll just click on it. Or click click here. You will see said there will be a countdown. There will be a countdown. Oh, your download will start shortly. Right? There will be a countdown. Automatically, once a besha see a download ewo esroho at the amount. Great. I don't want to download this. A very easy to download and a very easy to install. So here share the next one. Next one, your friend WAMP, and I say what the M called WAMP for now. WAMP, and on my current server, me use CCA. So, opese will download the WAMPa. Me pacho ko Google. Uko Google send ya you search example. The same thing. Search a WAMP. 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 What do you search a WAMP? Ubon se beba waha. On WAMP server download. And I say ube to me called www.wampserver.aviatechnos whatever it is .net. But what do you search it? Unye hu WAMP say kre okay. Miaso umbiasoa a very direct to waba baby to say ya. And this is how it looks like. Very, very powerful. Similarly, exactly same thing like Zampna. Okay, so the moment I'll be me download Nesono and also be download at the amount. Okay, the last one we want to talk about a MAMP. M-A-M-P. M-A-M-P. MAMP no so say net here. Ube to me use MAMP so they are running this kind of all the Apaches and PHP and MySQL and everything, right? Ube to me they are here. So you just have to go to the download, yeah. Like I was so call on my download, just me a download way so okay. On say on more download, I was sure. Just click on the download. That's all. All right, let me add the announcement next. Me pacho, you were live with YouTube. So if you're watching me on TikTok, you can search for Ike Tech in Chi. Ewo YouTube right now. Ubon se me were live. Join me wo. Nenya the vivid experience. Nya the real experience of whatever I'm doing with a better and a clear sound. Pacho wo kona join here. Mami shout outs ewo YouTube comment na say what join me from TikTok. Na mention so mengen kan message no ha informal. So whilst I am call for to me a join here ewo YouTube. Mami kan call for YouTube comment kakra. Ewo YouTube ni share what is going on. Now me who say Jude ebusa question bi wa ha. Question na Jude ebusa sisi and say or say, I think my SQL is available in Linux. I don't know about the rest, but do I need to download this again? Well, so SQL is not enough. You need a server a bit to me running Apache, a bit to me running MySQL, a bit to me running PHP. So, bro, the best thing to do is re-download XAMPP, MAMP, or WAMP. Install it completely on your device into Memoir. So if you don't know how to do that, you could probably let me know. A beer na marani me Kali server no. na ebia ma ye no in a separate video on how to install WAMP and as a MAMP and as a ZAMP wo Kali server ne so na bibia to me aye kama. So say busa question biem. Or say how big is ZAMP? I think says ZAMP here 100 and something megabyte. It's not even up to 200 megabyte, right? It's like 100 and something megabyte. It's not even up to 200 megabyte. Yes. All right. And now who said Tete Joseph are joining from TikTok. Tete, you are welcome from TikTok to the YouTube platform. What joining? I mean, who said what joining? YouTube platform so. Na bibian so into me enye kama pa. All right, so already now I'm actually running my Apache server. No? Me running Apache. No? So let me just exit my Apache server. No? So I don't have any Apache server running right now. Yeah, mini Apache server be running right now. Say ye WAMP, say ye MAMP, say ye DN, say ye DN, say ye DN. Ye was simple steps be wo honoma. What's maybe you have to know. Okay. From where we are now, Pacho, question because you be move forward to say you install it a server like you install it ZAMP, you install it WAMP. How are we gonna do this? Like how can we do this? Right? So in this case, my main download the okay, let me know in the comment section. Maybe what WAMP or ZAMP or me use. Mami who comment section I say which of them do you want me to download for us to wait and do the installation right now so you can see how the installation process goes. Oh TikTok now show me mami who comment section I say. Oh YouTube also now show me mami who YouTube section I say. Which of them? I already have WAMP already installed. So more person mo can say more feel say mo you okay yan to us from WAMP now. We can probably go by that. Okay, from TikTok, me who say nkofo busa say yen use ZAMP. Me who say bi busa say yen use ZAMP. Okay, my main first of all, my main say me was ZAMP. Me install it was so that is the first thing. Okay, from Ahano, me need ZAMP. Me install it was so right. Good, and you could probably see say me see no ma. So I will redirect me ZAMP no to a different drive. Right? Okay, so the first thing we have to do, and you see a bit download the ZAMP. These are the steps. I will be to make the download the ZAMP. Step 1, chill. Step 1. Go google.com. Google.com. Step 1. Google.com. Just like that, right? Step 2. But download ZAMP. And I say what the ZAMP XAMPP. XAMPP. Now but enter our keyboard. That is the step 2. Step 2. Step 3. Click on the first link you see. Click it so. That is step 3. Step 4. Computer ben na wodi operate like computer ben and a wo use eye Windows ana eye Linux ana eye Mac OS ana. Okay, say ye Windows a miasa Windows way so. Now the moment I'll be miaso no share was a redirection a redirected wabaha ebe catch us say ebe download this ZAMP in a very short moment. Shadie a lodi was roha. So definitely, we won't say a best start at download this ZAMP no. Eddie atome downloads folder. Eddie amame. Let's give it some time. You'll probably see that it will be downloading, right? Yeman bre. Okay, good. I say thank you for downloading ZAMP. Mama said if my ZAMP has been downloaded, there is nothing here but like beyond download it. So I probably don't know why I undownload it. So the best thing to do is here and click away. So click here. Now redirect me the mabaha. So make ZAMP for Windows folder. Now me run ZAMP for Windows folder. This is their latest release, right? And the number of downloads now. So the best thing to do is click on this folder 8.2.12. Click it so, right? O click it so share on They are available for 64 operating systems, zip, where zip, where 7-zip, where installer, where VS111. All we need is the installer, this one, XAMPP, either whatever. But you install it way, right? You install it down one way. We won't say size near 157 megabyte. 157 megabyte. So let's just click on this one. I see it, click on it. What the me also about say countdown the now it should be able to download for you. I was say it to me download the edit just like that. And we won't say this time no a bit prompt me was show her baby say it is actually downloading. This is the easy steps. This is the easiest step to do, right? Okay. I actually don't know why it's not downloading from my side. I have no idea. But me, I think it was XAMPP ni bi so I can easily do. I think that my browser is somehow messing up. I don't know, but I think my browser is somehow messing up. But I already have XAMPP. So I actually don't have to stress myself getting myself a XAMPP server again because I was XAMPP dada. So I can easily redirect myself to where I have my XAMPP server and I can easily use it from that side. Okay, I am a XAMPP for me Windows, right? So make me a double click XAMPP way so from Ahano, you see say Busame for administrative right. I just click on OK, right? So this is how XAMPP installation ACPA, right? The first thing you see and then say language, right? Language. So click on OK, choose English. Now from this side, me and next. Installation process name me and next. After from Ahano, a catcher say a code this directory, right? So you choose a different directory, then you install it. My main CB. I just want to tell you, I just want to show you how this whole thing actually starts and how I'll be flying step by step. Okay. XAMPP server now the same procedure now. But why when one catching let me know in the comment section so I could probably assist you on that. XAMPP now just double click it on the XAMPP server. I think I'm trying to get a latest one, but I'm not getting the latest. I don't know, but I'm trying to get the latest one. I'm trying to get my latest XAMPP, but I don't know. But the same, no. I don't know. I have no idea. The reason why my XAMPP is not really downloading. But there are so many ways to kill a cat, right? There are so many ways to kill a cat. So let's just go to Google. Download XAMPP for Windows. Okay. There were a whole lot of links. Make me use this link. Any of them because I don't know. I think mine is not really downloading. So make me use any of these to download it. I think so. I think they should probably work. So this is it. You see? So I will redirect myself to a certain directory like this place. Now I downloaded the So now you could probably see it is downloading from this side. I don't know. Is this thing really downloaded? Oh, I think this is installer. All right, but I think you guys, yours should probably work fine. I don't know, but I think that yours should probably work fine. Meaning, I'm trying to find alternative way to download it because me download what me side Hana. I don't see it downloading. Okay, I think so. People say, what is the differences between XAMPP and WAMP? There is no differences. The differences are just the company. What I say, the differences are just the company. Oh, the differences are just the company. Nothing else. May I say will be a question be I say I have an error here. I say it says important because an activated user account control UAC of your system. Some functions of XAMPPs are probably restricted. I don't know the kind of, but just click on OK and install it. Just click on OK and then continue the installation process, right? Just click on OK and then continue the installation process, right? Or just Mia okay, so now continue installation process. No. Why? It should be able to allow you to install it, right? Okay. So what download the, I don't know the reason why I'm example no and downloading. I want the latest version, but I don't know why it's not downloading. But let me quickly show you one thing right here. Share. Say opese we use what? These are the kind of things you probably have to understand. Yeah. Let me tell you this. After the installation process, no. Oh, okay. I think it's actually trying to let me install. I mean, declining. Okay. It's actually downloading using the software. It's actually downloading using the software. So let's wait for it to complete the download process. Then we install. But one thing you have to understand, let me say. So what downloading now install it will be kept in your C directory, right? From your C directory, you won't say you will folder be a friend of XAMPP folder. XAMPP, XAMPP, right? XAMPP. Your friend of XAMPP. Say one person now use you, I won't say you will WAMP 64. WAMP 64. You will local disk C. You local disk C. Yes, we local disk C nim ubehu WAMP 64 ewo mu ho. Yeah, so that is the place adwuma ni nyina abekoso. Right? That is the place adwuma ni nyina ebekoso. So you say you need these servers to run. And ye nyina ya volunteer say ye hia XAMPP to start working on your WordPress website, no? And that is really good. And without that, I mean, it's not going to work. There is no possibility where, say, we need any of these servers. Now, when you use any server, you can be able to download it. It's not going to work, right? So, you're running a example, and how it's probably going to come up. So, this is how XAMPP, a baby amount. Now, catch say it seems you have antivirus running. In some case, this may slow down the whatever. Don't worry, just continue. Click yes to continue. And catch say important because of an activated account control UAC whatever. That is the same message. The other person also don't worry. When you say don't worry, just click on OK, right? And here it is asking you where exactly you want to install the XAMPP to. So in this case, I will just change the directory to a different directory. I have a J storage, so then I click on OK, or I could probably just go in for the new volume. OK. Now a F path name. So maybe next or say select folder is not empty. Please select a different folder. So the next thing I say make create folder right. So I'll probably create a new folder. In this directory now me person me de corner and then a F new volume any. To me create a new folder. My friend XAMPP. Okay. My friend XAMPP. Any me create folder my friend is XAMPP. So in this directory I will just close this, open it again. Now my XAMPP as my directory where I want to, install this to custom directory, right? So my XAMPP. So this is my XAMPP directory. I click it OK. Next. Now this is the language of the XAMPP installation, like XAMPP the control panel. Language I open say right. So I'll just click on next, and I'll just click on next. And I'll just, wait for it to install. Now, during the installation process, yamfa kwenya we so na yankasamfa WordPress kakra. Now, we're looking up, say, the first thing we want to do is to get our XAMPP server running, like our XAMPP server up and running, right? We want to get it up, set up, and, running. Kopim si yebenya Apache running now, okay. Then we download WordPress. Now, WordPress consists of two things. WordPress it depends on themes and plugins, right? WordPress depends on themes and plugins. And in this scenario, a yes project and I say series and I share part 1 I say or China part 2 baby. Ye build the complete e-commerce website a yebetumi aton neoma wo ho amana yeye. Ne etoso mienu, yebe building news website. Tisa senia ye wo adumonline.com no. Yebe buildi bi. Like yebe buildi yankasa ye de. You should be able to post a news ebeko. What do you say? Okay, so on say we ya pe or catch or say, do you want to start the control panel now? Is either you take it, then you say finish. Umia finish ne so a nya botrema no. Ubon say ebe bie sa control panel we di amount. Se wutu minya control panel we ya. Congratulations. You have successfully downloaded and installed XAMPP on your computer. Congratulations. Se wutu minya sa die we ewo computer no so say erania. Congratulations to yourself. You have been able to install XAMPP on your computer. Now, the next thing we probably want to do is to use two servers. Bako eye Apache and a bako ye MySQL. Apache no will help us to work with PHP. And a MySQL no will help us to create databases where we will keep our our products, where we will keep our data and all those kind of things. What do I say? And all those kind of things. Very, very interesting one. So the last step to do on Apache setup, and I said the last step to do on XAMPP setup is to click on this first start. Click start way so train. On say Adani stop wa any Adani green. Adani is it green or blue? Green. Adani green say ya na amount erobia congratulations. It means it say wo Apache server no, it is running. Now the next thing to check is MySQL and also me starting so. Now say no so green say na amount red amount color bia na green. Congratulations. You now have a server one top. Okay, see you call baby to say you call baby to say average host and I make sure say server be ubetuyaka every year. This is that server. Sa server nenye. This is that server and we are not paying a damn for it. We can build as many websites as we can. So now, how can we check and see say yen Apache no running? Like how can we check and see say your website ne juma? In this case no, me pacho mia admin way so ewo Apache MySQL. On say MySQL na ewo admin biwa. Mia admin ne so. The moment I'll be mia admin so be a website amount. A be a website the man automatically won't say the call a year MySQL. Would the one use will be that crowd, don't worry. So one use will be that crowd, don't worry. And when he has a will be who san your way, because you build a website nearby and my dear Bako pet any bay. What do I say? Be ye be before Frobia. So this is it. Utumi bahanum say ya congratulations. Oh, ube to me a try Apache nenso. Umia admina Apache nenso de obebaha. When your friend Apache, right? This is called Apache. All right. Now, the next thing I hear babe is to download and install WordPress. Download and install WordPress. But before we do that, say wo share me ewo TikToker me pacho ko Tech in Tree. Ko CCA. You'll probably see say you were live CCA. We are live there. And what you be who be clear kama pa. Ko nako shebi. And what you be who very very big and with a very powerful sound coming out. Na bibia kama pacho. Oh question bia leave your comment section I say. before I even dive in downloading WordPress and installing WordPress. Whilst we are waiting for them to bring their comments, no. While we are waiting, no, for our comment, brand, I can come out. Oh, obviously when some years ago by a refi. Oh, don't worry. Then you have to memorize back through this series. Okay. Okay. Steps Nadia. This will be a recorded version on YouTube. So you probably have to go to YouTube and then be part of it. Just, after that, you could get it. Yeah. No, Ike Tech Imchi on YouTube. Ike Tech Imchi on YouTube. Now, I know you guys will be asking the differences. The differences between ZAMP and XAMP. Is it what you're talking about? Okay. As for me, dear, what I have been using is ZAMP. I haven't used XAMP before. So I can't really talk a lot about that. But what I can say is I don't use use that. But the one I've used is ZAMP. So ZAMP is the only one I could probably talk about. Why? Yeah, ZAMP is the only one I could probably talk about. All right. So now the next thing to do is to download WordPress. So step by step on how to download WordPress. Step 1, kugogo.com. Step 1, kugogo.com. It doesn't matter how they kugogo.com. Step 2, but WordPress. Like this. What the WordPress. Step 3, sa download way so. Also they have download WordPress viewer. Sa download WordPress way so. Miaso. So miaso e do beba. Right? Now, se edoba ahanoma. You're very simple. Just click on this download WordPress. A baby amount. Now, ye save with your call me Jane. So mimia save. And on a download you are. And me internet ni is super fast ama a download ye. Size name so. WordPress the size name so cry 24.9 megabyte. Size name so. So the next thing we have to do, and say, you be install a WordPress way. So step by step, another step, right clicking, in a zip format. So extracting like extract all, extracting. And you see, say it is extracting right from here. We won't say extracting. Man, time then one can extract it. And fankogu baby, I would download the toyen. Extract it, just extract, right? Just extract. Oh, is it true? I think my sound is low on YouTube, right? Let me check it out. My man checking my sound on YouTube. Let me check it out. Oh, I think it's good. You have to volume up a little bit, right? Like you have to volume up a little bit. That's all. You just have to volume up a little bit. Just volume up a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Volume up a little bit. Why, bro? Okay. So, yen train Emmanuel and download the extract anyway. But what question be with me about? Right. Entino, I was young. Mami hu yesuya de. Hwe yesuya de. Sanya menya botra me chire. That is what the universities were supposed to do. Like they shouldn't have to focus only on giving you the certificate, but rather to give you profession, right? To give you a skill. But you bear with me, say but at the end of the day, when to me and Yashe, we've spent an hour only on setups. We've spent an hour only on setups. So it's good to know. Now, I extract here. This is our WordPress folder, right? Ubioma, ubun say WordPress content ni nyina egum ha. Right? Any ni nyina egum ha. So the next thing I yebe say, sa WordPress way, it will be reusable. Wait, a complete website. Wait, WordPress way, a complete website. So what we will do is, ye create a website out of this website. And untime pacho shadie. Baby wo download di. Baby we install it with Zamp ni kokogu ye no. Obekai. Wo de ebeko C. Ebeko C. Uko C directory ni ma, C drive ni ma. Ubon si you folder be a friend of Zamp ewa ha. In mimi case, medical new volume. Me ye folder needing Zamp, right? Me ye folder needing Zamp, any Zamp. Inside sa Zamp way no. Odia ubie wo Zamp folder anymore. Ubon se wo folders bebre bi wo mu ha. You get a whole lot of folders. Ewa. She folder bia ye friend no HT docs. HT docs. Enti yanre HT docs. Me pacho enie. Sa HT docs no biem. Ubie HT docs ni ma mpacho enu eni. She sa HT docs no. Honom ni ye de website na eba beto. Right? Now, ye wo WordPress ya download ya extract wa ha. Me ye ni say ya ebeye. Ba wonim ma men copy mum because me to me create as many as I want out of this. Inti ma men right click na men copy. Mi wi a memra ha. Na min paste. She one say a paste ewo HT docs folder nim. On say a paste wo HT docs folder nim. Let it paste. Manim paste. Manim paste like this. Manim paste. A paste we are she as resemble kon say a paste we are ubetumi akọ Apache. Na wasa akọ mia admin ne so. Ude ko mia admin ne so. Edo beba Apache ne ha back biom. Refresh it. Sometimes no wo de no betumi ahu WordPress kan we mo ho ha. Ubetumi ahu WordPress ne se kan we mo ho ha. Ba we hu enya hwe mpacha. We hu enya hwe no kra hu nhyɛ dan hia ye bebre saa. Se we hu a enya hwe. Hwe wo de aba ha wie no. WordPress no enie we ne friend of WordPress. Now ye betumi abie sa website we amana yeye. Ne ya configure. But now website now we create no a din ben na what my website. Like, what is the name you are giving to the website? That is the most important thing. A din ben na what my website no. Okay. Between news website and an e-commerce website, me pacho emudia na mo pese ye building kane. Mami hu wo comment section as ni emfen creative project no. Me pacho between a news website and a shop website. Emudia he na wo pese ye de share project na se. Yemfen rename din sisi ye. Mami wo comment section ase. Okay, me say e-commerce near more like over TikToker. E-commerce no, people are really requesting for e-commerce, right? Great. So this is what we're going to do. E-commerce no, yam friend dimbe, your friend e-com. So me rename WordPress no, edina eye WordPress no. Me rename no. Na mama ni din folder ne pe mbajo eye folder na me rename no folder no. Inti me friend no e-com shop. Right? E-com shop. ecom shop. Ecom shop. Hey, ubetumi ayen ecomshop.com. It doesn't matter. Just said .com crabba, ecomshop.com. Just like that. Right? ecomshop.com. What they rename on a send a bear one cause I'll bet to me a kaintino already no bones ye domain name no ha. It is a client now will build the website na man. Or see, oh, me pese my website needing the original shop.com. Just give the folder that same name. But remember, say, that name will be what you will be pinpointing to your website. Now, since I'm a Apache, and me SQL, this is how I made me visiting my website. Say I'm visiting my website. Go back to your browser. Afi, Kosroha. But local host / patcho website needing the same folder no you needing say ecomshop.com like that, but enter localhost ecomshop.com. Localhost ecomshop.com. If you see this, congratulations. So if you see this thing, congratulations. Maybe I just say congratulations. A trusted website, are you ready? And you can start installing to use the WordPress website. Okay. So the next step to go, I had here a very simple. The next step to go, and it's ube select a language or client in a build the woman. So in my case, may build it for English. Maybe I continue. Now continue the ubabaha. And or catch us say welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know you will need to know the following items, right? 1, database name, database username, database password, database host, and table prefix. We crown up janesa. Intino, ye hear sa neoma we to get our WordPress site running. Right? Enti se wo ye ready se wo mia let's go dia mia so let's go. Now ebusa for sa neoma we mu. Now neoma we mu ye benya ne like where will we get it? Like ye benya ne he. Very simple. First of all, you hear database name, right? So database name, what can I say? Emra ye mia MySQL nesono. At the about this side. Do you remember? Maybe I just say, okay. At the about this side. So this side, no, very simple. Near what's here and say, ye be mia a ye new way, me language na sesa kakra. Mia new way so, mia so. Now, mia so de sa ade we dia bro. Mon fan cha me language na kwa akoye me language na kwa akoye what do you call it? Akoye different language. Mon fan cha because me wo VPN active ewa. So it's just telling you to create a new database. Before for be anymore. It ye dimba na ode ma database. Like database ne dimba na ode mano. Kai, e dia ode be mano wan. Eno na abekwa akotworo WordPress ho. Enti yemfra no ecom shop. Ecom shop. Where the .com bianca ho. Ecom shop. Nemia create. Good. Umia create. We are going to say ecom shop no. Abaha. Ecom shop no. Ubon say abaha. This is the ecom shop. Now, since ayenya we no, it's good yen copy ecom shop. After yen copy back to your WordPress. Now, from WordPress the database ne dine the same paste wa ecom shop. Me pacho who use Zampa default username a root root default username a root. Me pacho default there is no password. In the password in paper, memfa password be ansho. Password ne paper, emfa password be ansho. Localhost in Sujana sa because sanity. Emra wo bo website one say we kind bo localhost / now so senka what launching our website so what launching our online and kababo www. But esan say yen running over your computer so na any online inti me pacho your friend localhost instead of www. Me pacho me gidi say what ya say instead of www. there be your friend localhost. Now table prefix ne de janesa do the jar table prefix ne sa just leave it like that, right? Table prefix ni janesa janesa. The next thing to do and see be mia submit. Now umia submit or catch say all right Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to run the installation. So very simple. Just click on run the installation. And now wait for the magic. Ebusao information for website, Now, first thing first, ebusao your website needing a dimba na what they ma website, So in this case, me friend e-com shop, right? So me yan say e-com shop. So mama mano username. No username no is going to be username ne password that would be website in the backend. TNE username no username would be backend. Password ne be password that would be backend. Intime pacho se we few username no password that would tiate. Enti bonia wo bekai. Right? Bonia wo bekai. So nia me mekai no admin. Password nenso where wadodo mamenye no admin. Fine. Or say weak. But how dey may use weakness anti confirm using weak password. Email ben na opese wudi nya notification and I say we few password that would be reset. In this case, me use me email. So me use me email. Right. My bommy email the ashaha. Where a search engine visibility. Ye miaso take for search engine visibility. So what you mean we are congratulations. The next thing to do is just click on install WordPress. But one thing and say ye way in a real time. Yama client and pacho menko use admin. So what the idea way my client in a real time menko use admin TNA. Don't go and use admin. Okay, we have me install WordPress. Now, let's wait for the magic to happen. Ebe install WordPress nina nafe a redirected wako login. Now this is a success. Any success. Or say WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Username your admin. Password your chosen password. So let's not forget that. It's your login. Now, you bet me about your username ashaha. which is probably going to be admin. Password near the end, admin. Now, you be keep on typing login. So you may remember me. Afi mia login so. Congratulations. A WordPress website no. Are you ready? This is your WordPress website. To view your WordPress website now we're creating no. Very simple. Brasroha. Baby, I actually visit site no. Me a visit site no so. Any. This is your website, your demo. This is your demo website you've built so far. Congratulations. Congratulations. This is your demo website you've built so far. Congratulations. This is your WordPress website. Inti se o pese wo edit ya. And also when me edit site. E was so ha. Ned waba. Now obetumi edit wo site no. Ama na yi. Metumi change bibi wa ha. We metumi change no. Na maka say welcome to e-com shop. Right? So metumi aka say ebia easy shopping good that's a high quality items fast and easy delivery. Congratulations. This is it. So about us could probably change to shop now, right? And we have like this image. You bet me change image way. I mean, you bet me change, and it's gonna work. Like you bet me changing at any point in time. We passion for creating space, whatever. You bet me change, edited like editable, right? Hey, editable. What I say? So who we are? Just click on the save button. Next save. Any who say who we are? Hey, time call website in so. Remember, you bet to me as search for. You bet to me as search for localhost / ecomshop.com. Ned wabaha. Now on say Abba, welcome to e-com shop, easy shopping, high quality items, fast and easy delivery. Right? Good. Now, may I show so because okay, how can I what's here drag and drop? Drag and drop the yakofane. See, this is where it comes in handy. Sadly way, it can be easily deleted. Wait me delete it. As a free ho. Way umia 3 dot iswa. Wait me abasia. No way delete it. Free ho. Opesa will add for fra. Mia way so. You can add after or add before. Or you can easily click on this add sign there was one. Share as a mimia add sign no. The other options are bremewaha. Se me pese me show YouTube video. Me to me atam way the ababe toa. You see, on say video, on say upload, and I say insert from URL. So me pese me insert from a URL. Me come a live production so. Me copy URL. Like me copy URL. Now for my bami e-commerce website so. Ma call insert URL. Ne me paste. Me paste we are na mabo enter. Share. On say you video number. So like so simple. Like this, so simple. Me we are na me save. Now me save we na me baha. Na me be refresh website na. Ubon se beba. Me refresh website na. Now I can watch myself on my website. I can watch myself on a website. So simple. So simple. My website is drag and drop, is working, and it is mobile friendly. Mobile friendly. This is how it appears on mobile phone. Seriously, this is how it appears on mobile phone. Right? So, and then we've been able to create our first website, and we've gotten to know how we could add components. Not really necessarily like called components, but you can add a whole lot of things. Just click on the plus sign. You see a whole bunch of information. Open gallery, just add it. Calendar, whatever you need, like social icons. If you want to share, if you want to add anything, just go here, drag and drop, and you will build a very nice website. You see, so this is how WordPress becomes so easy, so efficient, so nice, so wonderful, so wonderful, so authentic for anything, right? So, Spotify music, you can just add Spotify. I mean, you can add a whole lot of things. Obviously, build a website for any music career. Just let the person upload it to SoundCloud, and as I upload it to Spotify, just drag and drop it. Okay, hold on. Let's delete this image, right? You delete it, right? We don't have any image here, right? We don't have any image here. Yep, Spotify. Click on this. Click on from music. From where you see the musics, we have Twitter, we have SoundCloud, we have Spotify. Tam Spotify na fabetua. Fabeto shopping nasi. Any also say embedded URL. Ewa. Type it. So yamra. Yanko baby to say spotify.com. Spotify.com, right? Yanko Spotify.com. Would ye nipa no say no Spotify, Apple Music, wherever it finds itself to be. Blacko. You say Blacko nyom ha. Right? So Blacko nyom neni. Right? You see you build a site. Edema Blacko. Very simple. You click it 3 dot we are. Also more share ha. Copy link to artist or embed artist, or just copy link. Browse website in so. Or say URL or embedded code here. So you paste it. We are me embed. Look at what is gonna happen. Just look at what is gonna happen. Black Unabahano. Now we have a music ready to be played on your website, you know. So if you if you're actually building a music website, just click on save and look at what is gonna happen. Come here, refresh the website, and you should probably see Blacko, any nice and responsive, highly responsive. Click it. RJ. You see, it is really playing it very, very nice. What do I say? This is really great. Okay. So, saying that here, enti yedibesi waha on your next video. Yebesa ba live no. We will probably talk about how I basically fashion create a header for this, like ye change image, ye upload the image, ye share ye navigate monesa mano. Ye be mana ye kama pa. Very, very simple. Now ye come. Okay, right. So this is how WordPress websites structures easy fat here. So utubinya say dia, make an say congratulations. We a developer. Shemino. Also congratulations to you. But we are already a developer. This might not be the right video for you. And we yan sheda yamma omuye developers. Name no ya sheda yamma enkofo a omunye coding da. Omuni any coding career, but they want to learn how to build website. needs 5 years no the pay experience no. They just want to kick the bucket and keep the ball rolling. Kick the bucket where we want. They just want to kick the ball rolling. Those are the people we are building for. So if you are a pro here, I'm sorry, today is not your day. And now you're for we are absolute beginners. Build a site that those are the people we are preparing this for them. I know say we a pro, the pro people can really build amazing stuffs. I really understand. What do I say? So that's it. And we shouldn't forget. Adia we ya yi. Monim say ye betumi ato aso of VS Code mu. Do you know that? Ye betumi ato, yeah, we can continue from VS Code. Because see, all the website now you create, template and everything. Ni nyina egu ha. Oba themes ni mo. On see your theme. I think this theme is like, I think say na year 2024. So you be 2024 anymore. As your functions.php wa. Your templates, your styles. You see, your styles ewa ha. Your patterns ewa ha. Ni nyina ye PHP files. I'll be to me I continue I edit it with VS Code. Right? Any. You can continue with VS Code. You code it along. It has given you as every. But I mean, this is not way there. I don't want to confuse anybody, right? Me person may confuse you, but I'm just saying, say, website now a building. All the scripts has been kept here, and these are the HTML files. Where a header, where a sidebar, where a post meta, where a footer, right? All the HTML files in this will be, right? Where assets, baby, are images, ne fonts, ne CSS, any. So it is basing on, like, it depending on PHP, HTML, JavaScript, and those kind of languages, to build it. But just say they don't want you to pass through the stress of it. You just drag and drop, then you go your way. All right? You just drag and drop, then you go your way. All right, this is where time permits us to leave for today. Questioner, ube to me busa. Medase, I'm now reading comments. I'm now reading questions. Medase. All right, I'm now reading comments. Me read the comments. Into all commenter, ube to me. Edi aba na makenkan edi ama. YouTube, ube to me the comment na aba. And TikTok and so ube to me the comment na aba. Pacho, share me. Now a developer that I'm sorry. This video was never meant for you. Yeah, because I made almost 1.5 hours. What now are the 2 seconds? I know you are good already, but that like they don't have any idea on how these kind of things are being done. Na bibia anye kama. YouTube channel no ena mede atoso I Tech in Tree, right? Any I Tech in Tree. Na subscribe to you see the video say a recorded version edaho, right? And you can probably watch it over and over again, right? Obisi means show the mobile view of the website. So this is the mobile view of the website. This is the mobile view of it. Very, very responsive. Very, very responsive. This is the mobile view of it. Very, very responsive. Okay. All right. So I was going for question be able to maybe say question be anyone so there we can call it a day, and we might probably call it a day. Yeah, end it for the whole stream for today. All right. So YouTube thank you very much for joining me, and I really appreciate it a lot. In fact, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it a lot. I really appreciate it a lot. I really appreciate it a lot. All right. Echina be the same time. Tomorrow is gonna be the same time. So echina die yababa be share, WordPress na send yet here. Menus no any niyama eye. Like ehfa na opese unya team a obeye plugin. Ehfa na obefa plugin. Ehfa na obeye say I mean all those kind of things we will talk about. And ochina I'll be gifting echina mecha die. Muntie. Echina mecha die. Echina meche Elementor Pro version. Meche Elementor Pro version. Mo munim Elementor na. Elementor ye drag and drop plugin. Bia eye kama itumi ma build a website, beautiful website. You be install it by mesa ma pro, mema pro. Echina mema pro version. Yeah, on say pro version boarding. It's been sold out there for like $70 something. But Charlie made the bema free. China made the bema free. And YouTube no, se won konko follow ya. Se won konko follow ya, ko na ko follow. Afi o china so metro mo ha mitumi nya mobile view e na de time ko. So o china so metro how a mi si nya mobile view no. Na bibia so to me aye kama. Why won't subscribe wo TikTok no? Mami hu comment section na say. Na me hu na me ma won konko subscribe CCA. Na bibia nya kama. And I'll be giving you one amazing template. Remember mo premium templates mienu. Na mama mo premium theme. Remember mo premium themes mienu. Na mama mo Elementor premium. Yeah. Memo Elementor premium. Na mama mo okay. Memo Elementor premium. Na mama mo premium themes. Mienu. Theme na ba ko be e-commerce. A wo betumi keep as a client. E ka se per website bia o de be ton nioma. Wo de be ma no. Na wo de build de ama no. Ebiem memo news theme. A wo be upload you be use for a premium. A premium ema premium. Yeah, I'm talking about premium stuff. Me de bema we no so no be feeli. Adie we yesua. Wa want to me ensua bi na me amente wase like I don't get you. So it's going to be mega. Ye wi ani am ye nyina me be kwachiri recorded version. Na ma say post it for easy understanding. Send you won't be going through all this 1 hour 30 minutes video no again. Yeah, I'll be posting it again right after we are the whole process for na media to ho no na afei motumi enya na bibia nso aye kama pa aha I tech in tree ye the tree na ekira de na ye the tree na ekira de na ha free university bra na besua de free ni ye nkoye baby mpacho unfollow me follow me unfollow me follow me na bibia nso entumi enye kama. Yeah, we betumi a gift me so anwa gift me na bibia nso aye kama pa. Yemfa YouTube no emra na wiye. Ma me he adofo bia omutumi join in na me momo. Big shout outs na yenhwe bibia na bibia nya kama. All right. So I was what okay. So what for YouTube nisia. We will talk again tomorrow same time. And we move on. All right. Thank you very much, Charlie. And I really appreciate